صباح الخير. Good morning. I want to say thank you, shukran, for all the home learning we have received last week. They are amazing. For our home learning for this week, I want you to pick 2 to 5 sounds we have learned, come to the class and present them in front of your classmates. I will remind you of the sounds we have learned to support you in doing your home learning. Sa, sus, sa, sus. ض, ضفدع, ض, ضفدع. ط, طائرة, ط, طائرة. ظ, ظرف, ظ, ظرف. غ, غزال, غ, غزال. ع, عنب, ع, عنب. Looking forward to receiving your home learning next week. Thank you so much. مع السلامة.